So you people are going to sit for the A-level exams in 2027. Most probably 2027 A-level exam will happen in the month of August. So right now we are in 2026 August. 2026 August. That means for us to study, we can't take the month of August. No? We have the time till 2027 July. From 2026 August to 2027 July. Okay. So if you look at the gap, we have 12 months. 12 months. That means 1 year. So what are we going to do in this 12 months paper? What are we going to do in the revision program in this 12 months? To give you all an idea about that only, I have arranged this particular session. Okay. So before getting into the giving the idea about these people, what are we going to do for the next 12 months period in the revision session and how the revision session is going to be, what's the structure, what are the things that we are going to focus before giving that idea. One simple thing what you have to understand, this is applicable for any subject that you are doing, not only accounting. If you want to be good in a certain subject, always you have to focus on two areas. What are the two areas? You got to have a very good understanding about the each and every point which is there in the syllabus content. You should know the content properly in simple terms. Another one, you should have right level of question practice. You should have right level of question practice. So this is the simple strategy that I give for all my Sri Lankan prize winners, world prize winners, good students in A-levels. Simple strategy. If you want to be good in a certain subject, you know your content properly, have the right level of question practice. Okay. So people, if you follow this strategy, you will be able to go for a good result. Okay. Not a difficult one, a simple strategy. So what's the plan, people? What are we going to do for this 12 months period in the revision program? Okay. I'm not going to waste the time. I'll directly jump to the plan. My revision, people, generally, I have 2 rounds of revision. Revision round 1. So generally, people, when I am doing a program, I give a name for that program. So this 2027 A-level papers plus revision. Papers plus revision, people, for this program, there is a name. Generally, for every program, I give a name, people. I call it as Project 400. Project 400, that's the name of the program, people. Okay, moving forward. For the revision class, the name that I'll be using is the Project 400. Okay. So in this Project 400, which is the revision program, I am doing 2 rounds of revisions. So what's going to happen is, first 4 months, පළවෙනි මාස 4, 4 to 5 months. First 4 to 5 months ළමයි මම මොකද්ද කරන්න යන්නේ? That means from August, September, October, November, December, January. Till like January, okay. From approximately August to January. What I'll be doing is point 1 for every unit, for every unit, I'll be doing a recap first. First, I'll be doing a recap. Okay. So let's take unit number 1. I'll be quickly giving y'all a recap. So when I do that recap, people, you will be able to recall what you studied before in the class. Okay. After that, people, once I am done with the recap, we will be doing some papers. For every unit, I'll be giving you papers. So I used to call those papers as SRP, short revision papers. Okay. So we will be repeating it for all the units which is there in the grade 12. In the grade 12 for all the units we will be repeating it. Taking unit number 1, doing a recap, attempting the paper, discussing the paper, correcting yourself. Unit number 2, doing the recap, you attempting the paper, and people, paper, timed papers, because in this particular revision program, it's not only going to be the question discussions, people, not going to be only the content delivery. I have to work on taking your time and making your time also as per the A-level exam. Time in hadanna ඕනේ මම. So people, there are a lot of things to be done during this particular class. So my revision program, people, actually one of the very famous program because of the extensive work that we do in the class. ගොඩක් වැඩ කරන revision program එකක් මේක. ගොඩාක් වැඩ කරන revision class එකක්. And you will realize, people, when I give the timetable, you will realize. So this is the plan for the first 4 to 5 months, people, where we will be taking grade 12 content. Every unit we will be doing a recap, then people papers, we will be discussing the papers. So after 4 to 5 months, people, we will be done with the entire grade 12. Okay. Then, people, I will not start the grade 13. So once this is over, what I will do, I will start the revision round 2. Reason for this, අපි හිතමු as an example, I am doing the unit number 1 revision next week, August. Then, people, close to the exam, sometimes you might have forgotten that particular unit. ඔයාට ඒ unit එක අමතක වෙලා තියෙන chance එකක් තියෙනවා. You will not remember that unit sometimes. Okay, you might have forgotten. So what I will be doing is, people, once I am done with this particular revision round 1, which is the grade 12 content in 4 to 5 months, I'll be starting the revision round 2. So in revision round 2, what I'll be doing, people, for every unit, in the grade 12, for every unit in the grade 12, recaps are not there because recap is already done. We will be doing another set of papers. Then what you have to understand, Lamai, the units that is there in the grade 12 getting repeated again. That means you will not forget it. That's the purpose of having 2 rounds. Okay. So I'll just tell you the number of papers that I am going to do for you to get the idea about that, because ඒ ඔක්කොම දැන්ටම plan කරලා තියෙන්නේ. ඔයා papers කීයක් කරන්න යනවද, කොහොමද කරන්න යන්නේ, ඔක්කොම ටික plan කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Everything is planned. Okay. So in this round 1, people, here we will be doing 18 papers. So approximately we will be doing 18 papers over there. Okay. Then people will be getting into the revision round 2. Okay. Here we will be doing 18 papers. Then people, grade 12, you see, altogether 36 papers we have done. By the time when we are done with the revision round 2, 36 papers are done. Okay. Then people, every unit in grade 13, every unit in grade 13, for every unit in grade 13, lamai, we will be doing SRP papers. There are 36 papers. There are 36 papers. So altogether people, we will be doing approximately 72 papers in the revision program. So not only once people, 2 times we will be doing. First we'll be doing the recap, doing set of questions, posing, again starting from the beginning, until we finish the entire syllabus, doing the papers at a stretch. At a stretch, we will be doing the papers. Okay. Grade 12, then grade 13, at a stretch, we will be doing the papers. Okay. Once we are done with this, I understand. Now you have a very good idea about the content. You have done a lot of papers unit-wise. So, Islamaya units wala tiyena doubts, problems, you all have to sort it out. Whatever the doubts or the problems that you have in each and every unit, you have to sort it out first. Okay. Then people, we will be getting to the final lap. Then we will be getting to the final lap. In the final lap, people, by putting everything together, we will be doing full papers. Full papers, final seminars, final seminars. So I'm not going to get into detail of each and everything. When we are moving with the plan people, you will be able to get a good idea about that. Okay. So once we are done with everything people unit wise, you have a very good idea about each and every unit. You are very good in each and every unit. Now we are going to apply it for full papers. So we will be doing it at the last. Okay. So this will happen people. So approximately this will go from maybe from the month of January. This one also will take like 4-5 months people. So this one approximately people I am planning. Okay. This is the plan people I am giving you. In the month of half a month of June and full month of July. Half a month of June and full month of July. Or June and July, both the months. This one will happen from January to June. So this is the complete plan, people. Okay. This is the complete plan. This is the complete timeline that we are going to focus for the next 1 year period when it comes to the revision. Okay. So before getting into the last part, the fee and all. Okay. Before getting to the fee details and all, using the chat box, people, quickly ask whatever the doubts that you have, whatever the questions that you have, quickly ask using the chat box, people. Quickly ask using the chat box. Yes. So inside these 72 papers that we are discussing, Lamai, the past paper questions included. So past papers are discussed unit wise. So you'll be getting a very good idea about each and every unit, how they have tested in the past. One-year program students, you all can join. Mage 1-year program එක ඉන්න set එකකින් ඉන්නවනේ. You all can join if you all have studied this content at least in schools. At least in schools, if you have studied, not a problem. You all can join. If you have not studied this one in school, mage 1-year program set එක ඔයා ඉස්කෝලේවත් මේක ඉගෙනගෙන නැත්නම් what you should do is you have to join from the revision round 2. So by the time when we come to January, we will be done with the grade 12 content most probably. Okay. Then you have to join from the grade 12 or most of the grade 12 will be over. So you have to join from the revision round 2 then if you are a 1-year program student, but if you have studied in school before, then you have an idea, no? Then you can join from the revision round 1 itself. Revision class, will it be online? Yes, revision class will be like my normal classes, all the classes I am doing hybrid. It will go in a hybrid way. Physical students will be there, online students will be there. It will go in a hybrid way, but physical I'll be doing in Bambalapitiya. So I'll come to that detail also, timetable detail. So y'all can take a screenshot of this. Y'all can take a screenshot of this. So every Monday, class is happening every Monday. And it's from 3 p.m. to not 2-hour classes. මට 2-hour classes වලින් ඔයාව හදන්න බැහැ. I want to take you all to a good result. Good result. A district rank, island rank result එකකට මට ඔයාව ගෙනියන්න ඕනේ. I have to take you all. I want to take you all to that level. So people, 2-hour classes are not enough for me. I need a 4-hour class. It's happening from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. every Monday. So our first unit is going to be people next week. So next week means, that means I think 13th August we'll be doing the, so 13th August people, when y'all are coming to the class, it's better to go through the unit number 1 and unit number 2 and come. මේ units දෙක බලාගෙන ඉන්න. පොඩ්ඩක් හොඳයිනේ. So when I'm doing the recap, then you will be able to understand it in a better way. Then you will be able to attempt the papers in a better way. Okay. Unit number 1 and 2 බලාගෙන ඉන්න. Every Monday is happening. 13th August we'll be doing the unit 1 and 2. 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Recordings provided. Yes, recordings provided. Recordings දෙනවා. Recording will be given. Do not worry about it. If you miss a class, people, you will be getting the recording, but ensure to watch the recording and finish it off. Don't pile it up. Okay. Don't pile it up. Okay. Sir, will the papers be also done on Mondays? Yes. I'll be giving you a time during the class time. I'll be giving you a time to attempt the short revision papers. Certain papers half an hour, certain papers 20 minutes, certain papers 15 minutes, certain papers 45 minutes. I'll be giving you the time. I'll be timing it. When I ask you to stop, you have to stop. Then you have to see within the given time what's the mark that you can get. So you have to work on the timing from paper to paper. You got to increase your speed. You'll be able to check your speed. If you are very slow, you have to increase your speed. ඒ වගේ පොඩි දේවල් කරලා I have to improve your timing also. Okay. Yes, sorry, not 13th. It's 10th. It's 10th. Monday is 10th, not the 13th. Today, Thursday, no? I added 7 over there. Yes. I'll be discussing all the questions with you. Each and every question, every answer inside the class I'll be discussing with you. මම ඔයත් එක්ක discuss කරලා තමයි ගෙදර යවන්නේ. එක question එකකට doubt එකක්වත් තියන්න නැතුව. Everything I'll be discussing with you. But if I want to join the 1-year revision and the normal batch, 1-year program, 1-year theory class, normal class and this revision. So good if you can join like that for all 3 classes. It's good. Then you will be studying a lot. You can join. So normal 1-year theory class is happening on Sunday. Revision Monday. Normal theory class is happening on Saturday. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 3 days you will have accounts classes. Okay. In a class, අඩේ මගෙන් ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න පුළුවන් කියලානේ අහන්නේ ඔය. Can we ask questions in the class? අඩේ ඒක පුළුවන් බං. Anytime you can ask questions like what you're asking right now. Anytime you can ask questions. Ask me questions like how you're asking right now. Okay. When school starts, will the class time? No, 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 no. My class time is going to be from 3 to 7. It will not change. Why? Most of the teachers, what they do is they have when it's come to the latter part, they will take the revision to morning hours. I am not going to do it, people, because I want you all to go to school. Go to school, study in the school also. Study in the school, study in the class. So after school, dadavungala in 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Okay, after school, quickly come 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Superior වැඩ ටිකක් කරමු හොඳට result එකක් දාමු. Okay. So if you have a traveling problem, people, you can join online on that particular day. Okay. On that particular day, if you are coming physically, after school, directly you can come to this place. So Bamba, online plus physical is happening my place, which is Bamba. Okay, Bamba only happening. So I'll quickly give you the fee details, people. I'll quickly give you the fee details. After that, we'll go for the questions. The fee details are going to be like this, Lamai. Okay. Fees. You all can take a screenshot of this. Fees. If you are coming to only revision, physical 3,500. No. Yes, physical 3,500. This is the normal class fee. If anyone is telling, okay, no, I am not coming physical. So online people. So physical students, I'll be giving the papers and everything printed. I'll be giving everything printed. Okay. For online students, fee is reduced because I am not giving any printed ones. I'll be giving you all the PDF. You all have to take the printout of it. Okay. You all have to take the printout of it. For the online students, it's 2,900 if you are coming only the revision class. Okay. If you are coming with my theory class, theory plus revision. If you are coming for theory plus revision, okay, for the physical theory students, the students who are coming for my physical theory, for them the class fee is 5,500 for both, theory plus revision for both. Okay. If any online theory students are there, my online theory students, mage online theory in a set online theory students, for them it is 4,900. 4,900 theory plus revision. Okay. So these are the prices, people. These are the prices. Now you all can ask whatever the questions that you want to ask, people. I have given you all the details. Lamai, listen. Anyone who is joining my revision class, so these are monthly subscription. Anyone who is coming for the revision class, monthly subscription. If you make the payment for that particular month, all the past recording access will be given. Past recording access for theory as well as the revision. All the recording access will be given only for that particular month. Again, if you want to renew, you pay that particular month payment, renew the subscription. That like Netflix, renew the subscription monthly. If you pay for that particular month, you will be getting the access for that particular month. Like the Netflix වගේමයි. ඒ මාසෙට payment එක කරොත් ඒ මාසෙට පරණ ඔක්කොම ටික activate වෙනවා. Once the month is over, පරණ ඔක්කොම ටික නැති වෙලා යනවා. So if you want to renew it, you have to make the monthly subscription payment, that particular month's payment. එනම් පරණ ඔක්කොම ආයෙ activate වෙනවා. That's how it will be. Okay. So that is one of the biggest benefit where no one is going to give for this particular price. No one is going to give for this particular price. And this story I have told you before this also. If anyone is having financial difficulties, don't think about it. Talk to me like a brother. Okay, like a brother, talk to me. Think like I am your brother and talk to me. Sort it out. I am willing to give even 100% free. I have told this inside the class, not only for you. It can be you, it can be your friend, it can be anyone. Okay, it can be anyone. So now you all can ask me questions, people. Now you all can ask me questions. If I am joining like this, how much, like what? If you are joining like that, theory plus revision, physical 5,500. If you are coming for theory, physical 5,500. Online, if you are coming for theory, online 4,900. So that won't change. Even you come for all three classes, it will be the same. So one student is asking, sir, I want to come for 1 year theory. So 1 year theory, normal theory, and the revision. That's what you're asking, no? මේ තුනට වෙනවා නම් once you join for these two classes මේ දෙකට join වෙච්ච ගමන් මේක free හම්බ වෙනවා. So tudes මොකුත් දෙන්නේ නැහැ මෙතන. If you come physically, your normal class will be this one. This class, these two, once you join for these two, this class will be free. You can come and sit and study. Not a problem. That is also same. That's what I'm telling. 1 year plus revision ආපු ගමන් normal theory free වෙනවා. ඇවිල්ලා ඉගෙන ගන්න පුළුවන්. If it is physical, I'll not give the printed tube. If it is online, you can take the print of the tube. Okay, no. So next, what else? How does the papers provided to the online students? Okay, PDF. Does the paper sent before the class? Yes, I'll be sending the papers before the class, so y'all can take a print, but y'all have to do it with me. Okay, don't do it earlier. Y'all have to do it with me. Okay, because I have to make your timing. I have to get it done properly. Timing හදා ගන්න ඕනේ. Come on, people. Any questions? Any doubts you all can ask? Any questions? Any doubts you all can ask? People, no questions, no doubts. ප්‍රශ්න නැද්ද? Doubts නැද්ද? Clear the all clear. So people will work nicely. We are going to do a lot of work. You can see, people. You can see. Generally now the price also that I am charging is not too high. Very standard price, people. Okay, very reasonable price I am charging. General people in my Nogegoda class, the students, they know only for theory class. Only for theory class I am charging 4,000 rupees for 2 hours. For a 2-hour theory class I am charging 4,000 rupees. Now here you see this revision class is happening 4 hours. So 4,000 is becoming 5,500. That means extra you are paying only 1,500. Extra only 1,500, but class is happening for 4.5 hours where you will be getting the access for all the past recordings once you make the payment. Okay. So I want to give my support for you to go for a good result, Lamai. Okay. So if you all have any kind of financial difficulties, that's what I told people. Do not think about it. Mata kiyanna. I'll give my personal number 0766 949 629. මට චූටි මැසේජ් එකක් දාන්න sir financial body difficulty එකක් තියෙනවා මේ support එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා. I am willing to give even 100% free card till the A levels. No need to pay anything. No need to pay anything, people. There are students who are studying like that. They know. Okay, මම එළියට කියන්නේවත් නැහැ. ඒවා promote කරන්නේ නැහැ. එළියට කියන්නේ නැහැ. ඔයාගේ නමවත් reveal කරන්නේ නැහැ. I will not even reveal your name. You can come for all the classes for free of charge. Don't make finance as a barrier to study. Even you, it can be you, it can be your friends. Anyone. Clear, right? All clear? So if you all don't have any doubts, no doubts කියලා message එකක් දාන්න. No doubts කියලා නැත්තම් no කියලා හරි message එකක් දාන්න. If you all don't have any doubts. No doubts. No doubts. So people, එහෙනම් ලස්සන්ට වැඩේ පටන් ගමු. We'll start a nice journey. We have to do a lot, people. Trust me, this is going to bring you an immense, great change in yourself. ඔයාගේ subject එකේ මාරම change එකක් ගේන්න යන program එකක් මේක. 10th ලස්සන්ට වැඩේ පටන් ගමු. You just go through and come unit number 1 and 2. Recap එක කරා papers ටික කරලා බලමු කොහොමද වැඩේ යන්නේ කියලා. Paper by paper, people, little by little will improve. Okay, will improve. We'll see what is your improvement and everything. So we will expecting to meet y'all on 10th August, Monday, unit 1 and 2. පන්තිය කරලා හොඳට වැඩ ටිකක් කරලා superior වැඩ ටිකක් කරලා අපි හොඳ result එකකට යන්න බලමු. Clear? So that's it, people. That's it. Bye bye. As a one last message, as a support for me also, people, if you all have any of your friends, just pass the message to them as well. Sir, with that, do we have the pass paper? No, Rafida, do not touch the past paper book, because the past papers, everything included inside my short revision papers. Okay. So I have split all the papers into this. Inside the theory class, I have discussed 5 years of papers. So inside the revision, I am planning to discuss 10 years of papers. Okay. Unit wise classified. So don't touch the past papers. If you do the past papers which is there inside my theory tute, and if you do the SRP papers inside my theory tutes, 5 years of past papers are there. Inside the SRP papers, 10 years of past papers will be there. Automatically 15 years of past papers unit wise will get covered. So no need to do alone. තනියම කරන්න ඕනේ. මාත් එක්කම පන්ති ඇතුලේ වැඩ කරමු. Clear? No doubts. Bye bye. No doubts. Bye bye. No doubts. No doubts. Bye bye. Bye bye guys. Bye bye.